Hi, I'm Dr. David Bertone, DB OrthoPT. I'm going to show you how to make this towel be a part of your sitting posture and help reduce your low back pain. It's very simple. So take a bath towel, roll it up. Okay, so it's about 4 to 5 inches thick. Take 2 rubber bands. One on each end. And now when you sit, this will help maintain what we call your lumbar lordosis, or the curvature in your spine. So you're going to take it and you're going to put it right in your low back. So when you're working at your desk or driving in your car, your spine can be properly supported and not being in a position that can cause pain syndromes, which is like that. Okay? So the simple use of a rolled up towel can help reduce your low back pain during the day. If pain and dysfunction do develop, give us a call here at DB OrthoPT and we can help solve your problem. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more self-help tips like this towel roll that we just talked about. You can also book an appointment immediately online on our website at dborthopt.com and see the schedule of each of our therapists and when they're available to help you relieve some pain.